In this video, we're performing differentiation using the chain rule. So for this example, we're differentiating the function y equals cos of x squared minus 5. So we use the chain rule when we have a function of a function. So the first step is to identify the substitution u. So here we've got two functions. We have cos of something and we have x squared minus 5. So for the u substitution, we always take the inner function. So it's the function which has the other function applied to it. In a lot of cases, you can identify it because it's going to be inside brackets, but that's not always the case. In this case, it's the x squared minus 5. Once we've identified u, we can rewrite y in terms of u. So this means that y is equal to cos of u. Now we want to differentiate both u and y. So u is a function of x, so the derivative is du dx, and this is equal to 2x, and the y is a function of u, so the derivative is dy du is equal to minus sine u. We can now put these into the formula. So the formula is dy by dx equals dy du times du dx. So this gives us dy dx is equal to minus sine u times 2x. However, notice that dy by dx means that it should be a function of x, and we've got this in terms of u and x. So we need to now substitute u equals x squared minus 5 to get this back in terms of just x's. So this gives us dy by dx is equal to minus 2x sine of x squared minus 5.